What's up, guys? I just got my new camera, my new video camera. It works like really well, actually. Like, I'm talking really well. So what we're gonna do is just, I don't know, walk around this thing. You know, let you see the inside. So I don't do vlogs on this channel very much. I haven't done one. But this is gonna be, I just spent like all week building this thing, okay? What I'm going to do is, I'm going to get armadillos, I'm going to start catching them and putting them in here. Down to the main objective of this whole video. How much damage can one of these take? Okay, it's already taken, you know, a lot of damage. If you haven't seen what happened to it, just go look on Off-Road TVT. That's my other channel. So, this truck here, there's my cat. So this truck, it got flipped originally, okay, so now what we're going to see is just how much damage can this thing take. Like, we're going to throw a microwave at it. Everything. We're going to take this on a trip. So we have an old junk microwave in here. Well, it's hanging on by something. Old junk microwave. Okay, so junk microwave. No, that ain't gonna work. As you can see, that probably was just like minor damage, minor details, character. That actually put a pretty good ding in it. Not too much. So you now know that the body of your truck can handle that, okay? So now what we do is, like, I don't know, we just take some scrap metal. Let's say this hits your window, okay, this. Okay. That did not hit the window, but yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for today.